ask for
Hello.
solutions of assignment also.
Hmm?
For answer of
Solution of,
assignment also.
yeah. Is there anything else?
Hello, ma'am. Will submission made through emails would get accepted?
What submission through email?
Ma'am,
Every
actually,
submission you should do on Moodle. Email submission I will not accept, because the problem is, I told you, there are like, in whole day I get at least 25 to 30 emails and more than that. It's very hard for me to track the email. That is why for courses I do not use my email ID. I do not encourage student to send email to my email ID. Send it to
ma'am, actually, there was some problem
yeah.
related to uploading, and I sent screenshot related to that
Uh-huh.
uh,
Problem
for
in
a concern.
uploading. Problem in
Yes, ma'am.
uploading. Okay. Okay. Send your query to Diljit Nayak, and I will ask him to just take your assignment or whatever as a. But assignment time is already over.
Ma'am, minor submission. The problem was in minor submission. I
Final
will
submission
send.
is also after getting the answer. How can you submit your minor one submission answers, right?
No, ma'am, I have sent the email at that time, at that moment.
No, whatever email. Have you sent the email with your answers?
Yes, ma'am, with answers.
Okay, if you have sent it on time with your answers, then I will ask Diljit to check it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the question related to the weather balloon, the emissivity of the balloon was not given. Also, it wasn't said that we have to consider it as a black body.
And ma'am, that was not taught in class.
Yeah, it's not necessary everything. The concept is taught, or the concept about the air pollution. It's not related to even air pollution. It was simple concept you have learnt in 12th class. So if I will give everything which is taught, then
Ma'am,
everybody
like,
will have 100 marks. How can I grade?
No,
ma'am,
ma'am,
but like,
that's all right. But
can't
Ma'am,
discuss
paid
anything
data should
from
be given
class
now.
It
12.
is the open book exam. It is open book exam. You should not expect 100% question from the PPT.
Ma'am, but the data was incomplete.
Okay, let me see. If data was incomplete, I will take care of that. Fine. So email
Ma'am,
Hetal Priyadarshi, right? Can you email regarding the incompleteness of data to Diljit Nayak? I will talk to him.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the questions like if we answered till three decimal places, it was showing incorrect, though answer was right. Like
Yeah,
it was
I
only
got this particular query.
will be
So I will take care of it. I will ask Diljit to
oh,
review that.
okay. Thank you.
Also, ma'am, on the subjective
Ma'am,
questions.
another doubt, and the answer is 188.92. We wrote 188.93 and 188.91. What about the?
Let me see what Diljit has given as an instruction to you, and if the answer means, it doesn't matter if it's 189.93 or 189.9267. It's all same. Let me talk
Yes.
to him about the decimal place. How did he give the answer? Moodle, and for checking, and what he is doing regarding that.
Okay, ma'am.
I will take care of that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Anything else?
Ma'am, till now the sheets
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
are not being checked.
Like now the class today the class has started after 8:20 and you have made that rule that it is necessary to attend at least for 30 minutes.
Unfortunately,
So how will it work?
no. Unfortunately, this class, I got a call, and I had to pick up that call. It was urgent call, so I'm sorry for that. I will see. I will talk to my TA to consider the
If possible, do
attendance.
one thing. If possible, do one thing. If any class starts, let's say X minutes late, consider 30 minus X minutes for attendance.
Okay, let me talk to my TA. They will do.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, please update the attendance till now so we have an idea.
Yeah, I asked TA to update the attendance. I will see if they have not done or they have done and not updated whatever. Okay.
No,
I
not a
will.
message
Thank
yet.
you, thank you. I will for reminding me. I will take care of this also.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, the sheets that we uploaded are not checked till now. Ma'am, like we have been given marks only on the basis of the final answer or the decimal answer. So, ma'am, the marks will be included in this now, the sheets that we uploaded.
So I don't know if in instruction it was written or not. The sheet will be used only to see if your procedure or solution is correct or not. Means procedure for solving the problem is correct or not. Whatever number you have fed after solving the problem in Moodle, that will be checked.
Ma'am, but ma'am, since it was a subjective paper, so we should be given partial marks if we did something wrong. Matlab, if we did something right, but still
Marking
the
is
final
not.
answer is wrong.
No, no, no. Partial marking is not there. It's an open book exam. I cannot give you partial marking. Partial marking is not there. It was not there in last semester also. It will not be there until we will have the physical paper or exam in the campus.
Ma'am, but sometimes what happens that if there is a small calculation mistake, we lose the whole marks. Even if though we know the concept how to do it.
It was open book exam. You should have been careful for that.
Okay,
No,
ma'am.
it's not possible. Prakriti, do you understand why I'm saying there are, if even if you are raising this particular issue for one question or maybe like just few marks, 0.5 or something, there are many 250 students are there in this class, and many of them will raise this particular or maybe get the advantage of this particular liberty for like huge mistakes they do. So I do not want to get into that argument and explain everybody what they have done is right or wrong, or this much is right and this much is wrong. That will just make my life as well as the classes, it will not work. It will not work. The answer, that is why we have open book exam, and your answer will be assessed.
Also, ma'am, during the exam, there was some problems in the management. The subjective questions came later on, and the link for submission was given earlier. So there was a bit of confusion on which link should we go first, and then because of that, I got into a problem that I submitted a blank submission in the subjective part. After that, so I mailed you the answer sheet, mailed you and Diljit sir the answer sheet within the exam bounds.
Okay. um, I will make sure that this will not happen in the next exam. And I will inquire with Diljit why did it happen, what was the reason, maybe internet or maybe whatever. I don't know. Actually, I told you that I was traveling. I was not in the campus, so I just I connected with phone and I asked them to start the exam on time, and they started the exam. They messaged me, but I did not know this problem before. I will talk to him and I will make sure that this will not happen in the next exam and even in any assignment or quizzes.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there anything else? So next class onward, we will start water related issues, means water demand, water treatment, water quality for drinking purpose, and all those things. Um, so then after finishing water, we will have a few presentations on wastewater. So two topic I will cover broadly: water and wastewater before major exam. Your major exam is in May, right? When?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else? So, course-wise, you had all the material which was taught in the class before your minor one, or I hope there was nothing missing. Yeah, Ishan. Okay, so fine. So we will leave the class, and this attendance I will try to include the attendance of this class. The way maybe like minus the late start, the total time minus the late start, and yeah. So is there anything else? Otherwise, I will leave the class. Okay, fine. So tomorrow, no, when is our next class? Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we will start water. Okay, we will have class at 8 tomorrow. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.